Assembly is all about Shrove Tuesday, which was Pancake Day, and Lent. In the Assembly we'll be thinking about Pancake Day, which was last Tuesday, and many of you may have been making pancakes at home with your family. Lent, and what does this mean? And also, what other religions use fasting as a part of their religious festivals and celebrations? However, before we start this week's assembly, let's have a think about the sign of the week and also the quality of the week. The sign of the week is cooking, and the quality of the week is confidence. Shrove Tuesday is the day before Lent. People often eat pancakes on this day. In fact, many of you may have also had pancakes with your family last week. The day after is called Ash Wednesday. This is the first day of Lent. Lent lasts for 40 days, which does not include the Sundays. This is the time that Jesus spent in the desert where he did not eat, and a time when he was tempted by the devil. A colour often associated with Lent is the colour purple. For many people, the start of Lent included Pancake Day. Pancake Day is before Lent. It often uses many of the ingredients such as eggs, butter and sweets, and things like chocolate, which people are going to be giving up. I wonder what you did for Pancake Day and whether you made your pancakes. Let's have a look at a little video about how to make good pancakes.
Hello ladies and gents, it's Barry here. Welcome to my Virgin Kitchen with Pancake Day just around the corner. Over the years I've learnt some hints and tips that I want to share with you. So here is my ultimate Pancake Day guide to help your Pancake Day go flipping marvellously. That is a terrible pancake pun. Good luck and send me your pictures. There we are then. I hope at least some of those hints and tips will come in handy for you. Please send me pictures of your pancakes and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, let me know down below any recipes you want to see next. I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.
Many people don't fast for Lent. However, many people do decide to give up something that they love. Perhaps for you this is chocolate, could be sweets, or even using social media. Others might decide to take up something like helping out more at home or making an effort to be nicer to their brother or sister or other family members. However, what are you going to do to celebrate Lent? Lent finishes on Thursday before Good Friday. This is the day of Jesus' final supper. On Good Friday, Christians then remember the crucifixion of Jesus. So when you're thinking about things to give up for Lent, please make sure that it's something that you can give up for a long period of time. Fasting is not just for Christians. Other religions also fast, including Ramadan for Muslims. Other religions include Buddhism, Judaism, Taoism, and Hinduism. Remember, before you make any pancakes or food, it's really important that you wash your hands. This also stops the spread of coronavirus. Here's a short video on how to wash your hands correctly.